So there you got it. How to change a tire out on the car hauler. Do it yourself. You know, make sure you got them blocks. Make sure you got all your tools. Man, it's on the whole setup for everything I paid, like for the impact and everything. I think and the bars and stuff. I didn't even spend over $2,000. But anyway, you know, that's $400 a pop every time they come out and change your tire out on the side of the road. So you know, you really want to learn how to do stuff yourself. But this is Black Money Transport, man. I'm here to help you out. If you got any questions, hit that like and subscribe. And man, just stay tuned. I'm always gonna be doing something on my truck. I try to stay on top of the maintenance because there's no reason for me to be broke down on the side of the road. You see what I'm saying? You know, that's why I don't like going out of town a whole lot. Because when you're out of town a whole lot, by the time you get back in, you don't want to work on your truck. But you know, right now with the company I'm with, I'm home every day. So I'm gonna try to keep it that way. And stay tuned for more content. I think I'm gonna install my steering wheel in today. And I'm gonna try to put the video out for this today, installing your own tires. And man, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is kind of long, you know. I just started doing the tire thing by myself. Watched a couple YouTube videos and everything. But anyway, this Black Money Transport. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'm out.